Hi everyone, in this video we are going to present our project AI-powered ICU patient monitoring system using YOLO V8 and Streamlight. My name is Yoga Priya and my team members are Kirti and Singini Amal. We all belong to the Department of Information Technology. Let me directly explain our project. Our project is mainly developed to monitor ICU patients automatically using artificial intelligence. In hospitals, patient safety is very important and continuous monitoring is required. So, our system helps in observing patient activities through CCTV cameras in a smart and automated way. The main idea of our project is to take video or image input from CCTV cameras and analyze the patient's behavior. The system can identify different types of activities such as patient movement, posture changes, staying still for a long time, or unusual actions. If the system detects any important or abnormal activity, it will immediately generate an alert. This helps hospital staff to respond quickly and take necessary action. Now let's understand the overall working of our system. Our system takes input in the form of images or videos from CCTV cameras. Then it processes this input and identifies the patient present in the frame. After detecting the patient, the analyzes their activity and displays the result. The output is shown visually using bounding boxes around the patient along with activity labels. So, anyone looking at the screen can easily understand what the patient is doing. Now, let me explain the most important part, which is our user interface. We have developed a simple and interactive interface using Streamlight. This interface is designed in such a way that even a non-technical user can easily use the system. Here, you can see the interface screen. In this UI, the user has an option to upload a CCTV image or video. Now, I am uploading a sample CCTV image of a patient. Once the image is uploaded, the system automatically processes it. It detects the patient in the image and draws a bounding box around them. Along with that, it displays the activity label, which indicates what the patient is doing. For example, it can show whether the patient is sitting, standing, or moving. If any unusual or abnormal activity is detected, such as a fall or incorrect posture, the system identifies it and can generate an alert. This makes it very easy for hospital staff to monitor patients without continuously watching multiple CCTV screens. Now, let's talk about the tools and technologies used in our project. We use Python as our main programming language because it is simple and widely used for AI application. We use YOLO V8, which is a powerful object detection tool. It helps us to detect the patient in images and videos very quickly and accurately. We use OpenCV, which is used for handling images and videos. It helps in reading video frames and displaying the output with bounding boxes. We also use Streamlight, which is used to create the user interface. It allows us to build a simple web application where users can upload images and view results easily. Additionally, we use NumPy for numerical operations and data handling. All these tools work together to make our system efficient and easy to use. Now, coming to the results, our system is able to detect patient activities clearly and in real time. It shows accurate bounding boxes and labels and helps in identifying important situations quickly. Finally, the conclusion. Our project provides a smart and automated solution for ICU patient monitoring. It reduces manual effort, improves efficiency, and ensures better patient safety. The system is simple, effective, and can be used easily in hospital environments. Also, our work has been submitted to an international conference. Thank you for watching this video.